The world of work is changing fast. Robots are doing more, learning faster, and dare we say it, getting rather clever. But fear not, this isn't a sci-fi dystopia. It's a chance for humans to do what we do best, adapt and evolve. The key to thriving in this new world? Skills. Forget the old days of one job for life. Today, it's all about continuous learning, upskilling and reskilling. It's about being agile, adaptable, and ready to embrace new challenges. The good news? Artificial intelligence, or AI as we like to call it, is here to help. Not to replace us, mind you, but to empower us. AI is becoming a powerful tool for understanding, developing, and forecasting the skills we need to thrive in the future. Intrigued? Let's dive in and see how companies are using AI to shape tomorrow's jobs. Imagine trying to navigate a vast, ever-changing landscape. That's the skills landscape today, a complex web of in-demand abilities constantly evolving with technological advancements. Thankfully, we have Anthropic, a company using AI to map this intricate terrain. Their secret weapon? Constitutional AI. This ingenious tool acts like a superpowered detective, scanning millions of job description, articles, and online resources to identify the skills employers crave. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals the future of work. But it's not just about identifying current skills. Anthropic's AI can also predict future trends, highlighting emerging fields and the skills needed to succeed in them. This allows individuals to make informed decisions about their careers and helps organizations adapt their training programs. Think of it as a real-time map of the skills landscape, guiding individuals and organizations alike toward a brighter future. Now let's talk about reskilling, the process of learning new skills for a changing job market. Enter AWS Restart, a program using the power of AI to make reskilling personal. Imagine a world where learning is tailored to your needs, your pace, and your learning style. That's the beauty of AI-powered, personalized learning. AWS Restart uses an AI platform that analyzes the learning patterns of thousands of students. This allows the platform to create a customized learning path for each individual, focusing on areas where they need the most support. But it's not just about students. AI provides instructors with targeted coaching recommendations, helping them understand the strengths and weaknesses of each learner. The result? A significant increase in graduation rates and industry-recognized certifications. AWS Restart is a prime example of how AI can democratize access to opportunity, empowering individuals to transform their lives through the power of skills. Section 4, General Assembly, building tomorrow's jobs today. While some focus on reskilling for existing roles, General Assembly takes a bolder approach, creating entirely new jobs for the future. This pioneering organization uses AI to anticipate the skills needed for emerging industries and then builds immersive boot camps to equip individuals with those very skills. Using Anthropic's insights, General Assembly identified a surge in demand for skills like machine learning, cybersecurity, and data visualization. They then created specialized boot camps, providing students with the knowledge and practical experience to thrive in these cutting-edge fields. But it doesn't stop there. General Assembly also partners with companies to design customized talent solutions, using AI-generated skills maps to identify skills gaps and develop targeted training programs. General Assembly's innovative approach demonstrates how AI can not only prepare individuals for the future of work, but also help shape that future, creating new opportunities and driving economic growth. Section 5. The never-ending upgrade, lifelong learning in the age of AI. In this rapidly evolving world, one thing's for sure, learning never stops. Lifelong learning is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. And luckily, AI is here to make it more engaging, accessible, and effective than ever before. Imagine a world where AI curates personalized learning journeys, recommending courses, articles, and resources tailored to your interests and career goals. A world where AI tutors provide personalized feedback and support, helping you overcome learning obstacles. This is the promise of AI-powered lifelong learning. It's about empowering individuals to take control of their careers, continuously updating their skills and adapting to the ever-changing demands of the workplace. Section 6 AI, friend not foe, how AI empowers, not replaces human potential. Now let's address the elephant in the room. The fear that AI will replace human jobs, it's a valid concern, but the reality is far more nuanced. While AI will undoubtedly automate certain tasks, it also has the potential to create new jobs and augment human capabilities. The key is to view AI not as a threat, but as a powerful tool. A tool that can free us from mundane, repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on what makes us uniquely human: creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The future of work is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together, each leveraging their strengths to achieve common goals. And in this future, skills are the key to unlocking human potential. Section 7. Skills, 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 the key to unlocking a brighter future. As we've seen, AI is playing a transformative role in how we understand, develop, and forecast job skills. From mapping skills landscapes to personalizing learning journeys, AI empowers individuals and organizations to navigate the complexities of the future of work. But it's not just about the technology, it's about embracing a culture of lifelong learning, a culture where skills are valued, nurtured, and constantly updated. A culture where individuals are empowered to take control of their careers and shape their own futures. The future of work is bright, but it belongs to those who are ready to adapt, to learn, and to embrace the transformative power of skills. So let's embrace the challenge, equip ourselves with the skills we need, and build a future where humans and AI work together to create a more prosperous and equitable world for all.